Stop scrolling. Let me tell you something so important about empathy, sympathy, and apathy, words which are commonly misunderstood. Let's make this very easy and clear. Imagine someone is facing a problem. Your reaction can be 3 different levels: empathy, sympathy, apathy. Number 1, empathy. Empathy means you step inside their feelings. You don't just see their situation, you actually feel it with them. It is like your heart says, I know this feeling, I feel it too. For example, your friend fails an exam and you remember your own failure, you feel that same pain again. This is empathy. Number 2, sympathy. Sympathy means you stay outside, but you care. You don't feel their exact emotion, but you feel sorry for them. It's like saying, I care about your situation. For example, you see someone sad and say, that's really unfortunate. I feel sorry for you. This is sympathy. Number 3, apathy. Apathy means no feeling, no care, no emotional response. You don't step inside, you don't even stay outside and care. You're completely disconnected. It is not hate, it is not anger, it is simply nothing. For example, someone tells you about a serious problem and you just say, okay, no reaction, no concern. This is apathy. Think of it like distance from emotion. Empathy, inside the feeling. Sympathy, outside but caring. Apathy, no connection at all. Empathy connects. Sympathy cares. Apathy ignores. If you understand these 3 words, you don't just improve your English, you understand people better. Now tell me, which one do you usually show? Empathy, sympathy, or apathy?